Hello, I'm Kate and welcome back to Nurture Nature. Today I really want to do exactly that. I want to nurture some of our flower beds. We've got 2 flower beds running down each side of the garden, and I always know what plants I want in the ground and what I want them to look like, but I buy them and plant them and then I sort of leave them. I'm not very good at looking after them from there, so that's what I want to focus on this year. I want to really think about when I need to feed them, when I need to prune them, what I need to do I need to mulch them, what I need to do to make them happy. So that is my goal for this year. So this is the start of one of the beds, and we've got a few nice plants in. We've got the choicea, which I love. We've got the winter box, which smells amazing this time of year. We've got, oh, I don't know what this is called, but it's really nice green foliage, especially in wreaths and things at Christmas. We've got this beautiful yew tree, which you have to be careful with because the berries are poisonous, and this fern, which I love a fern. So that's gorgeous. So we've got some good starting points, but I really want to make this a lot better. This is my goal this year, is to plant some more evergreen plants, which is why I've done so much research recently on winter flowering plants, and then fill them with bulbs and things ready for the spring next year. Okay, so we have got some little snowdrops just coming out down here, and we do have some heucheras, but as you can see, it all needs looking after. It needs a little love and a little care. So this plant here is a Himalayan honeysuckle, and as you can see, it's a bit wild and out of control. It normally has lovely green leaves, and these bits that are obviously now dead are normally lovely purple sort of drop flowers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right back and cut each stem down and get rid of all this so that it can grow new foliage in the spring, summer. So it's looking a lot better. There were actually quite a lot of branches crossing and some dead stems in there, so I've cut them right back. I've got this main stem here, which I don't know if I cut it short enough, but I've cut it sort of just where these shoots are, so hopefully it will regrow from there. It's an amazing structure. Amazing, there's holes. So this one was completely dead, you can see down here. So I'll cut that one off. So we will see if it grows again. I'm sure it will. It will sprout. There's a little dead bit there. So we'll see what happens. I've actually got another one on this side. This is in the other bed, which needs a big sort out. It looked really nice in the summer because we've got sort of irises and geums and alliums popping up, but it doesn't look good in the winter, and that's what I want to change. So this is the other one. I've got one over here as well, a mass of dead flowers. You can just see the purple still left. They are beautiful when they flower, but I must take better care of them. So I'll do this one now. So there we have the other one trimmed back, and bonus is that I found sort of the base of another one here and another one here, so I've chopped them both back. Now I don't know if this shoots off runners and that's how it sort of reproduces, but I don't remember planting any of them here. But there's another little clump here and another clump here. So that's really exciting, got extra plants. Look, these snowdrops are just about to come up. So with this little clump of snowdrops, I will probably lift those and divide those at some point soon and start spreading them along. It'd be nice to have a lovely little clump in this corner, so I might spread it around a bit. I was just looking at these snowdrops here, which are again quite a small clump, so I might leave them another year before I divide them. And look! I've lost it now. What did I see? Where's it gone? Here. This is my peony. So I've just cut down the old stems here and here. And look, there's a peony shoot coming up. I think springtime, it really makes you look at the detail of gardening. It's so exciting. I have to keep my eye on around here to see if there are any more shoots coming up. I've got lots of little clumps starting with the snowdrops. One there, one there, one there. And I'm not sure about that one, that's not it. Here. Better get that weed up. So soon this whole area, I'm hoping, will be covered in snowdrops. And then by the time the peony's through, the snowdrops will be over. That's my aim for this garden, is to always have interest. So this was the trench I dug, ready for planting peas or beans. And I filled it with kitchen scraps. Something's definitely been digging because all the soil has fallen back into the trench. There's lovely holes all around. I definitely raked this flat, so there's definitely something digging in the garden. We'll keep adding to that. If you saw my last video on Sunday, you will have seen that I sowed some pepper seeds and some of the heatless chili seeds. I've brought them inside. I'm going to put them here near the window, and I've put them in a heated propagator just to help them germinate. And then when they start shooting up and when I can see little seedlings, they probably won't need this anymore. So we'll keep an eye on them, and hopefully soon we'll see some little green shoots. So something else arrived in the post today. We've got these Persian buttercups, or ranunculus. So they come in a packet, and they call them like claws because they look like claws. I wonder if it will focus. So you plant them claw down, sort of mid-March time, so a bit early yet, got another month. And then you get these beautiful flowers, lots and lots of petals. So when the time comes, we will plant them and watch those grow and hopefully have some summer colour. Thank you for watching, and if you do enjoy my videos, then please subscribe, and I will see you on Sunday.